Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, where were we? This is a self-care video. Is it really? But there's Sephora, Tira, Nykaa, and a makeup girly can definitely say it's a self-care video. But jokes apart, it's something I have been wanting to build for a really long time. That is my makeup kit, bridal makeup kit, because I am gonna be a makeup artist now. Because I have been taking classes, and something inside me was always like, oh, you have to do this, you can do it, you should do it. And I think finally I am listening to all those voices, and finally I'm starting this. So I'm not going to take a lot of time, but I'm going to start and keep on telling you why I bought this, and the shades and all. I'll probably mention it down so that it's not a really long video. But these 3 bags I paid for, and those 2 I got for free. Those 2 have like samples, only samples. So let's start with Sephora. I did not get a lot of things from Sephora because personally I feel India Sephora does not have good options, and they do not give you a lot of like free stuff too. I am a girl who wants free stuff so that I can try, like if I like this product, I can invest in it. But even though Tira has NARS and Nykaa has NARS, they do not have those products in store. And buying foundation, you cannot buy it just like, yeah, I'll add this, and we're done. So I had to go to the store. I ordered 2 pieces from like online sale, and this one I got directly. So this is like NARS foundation in the shade Stromboli. I love the packaging. This is how it looks. Beauty. So my high-end makeup kit foundation is by NARS. And then how can we not add some rare beauty to it? So I got Joy and Happy blush shades. I just love their blushes. They blend so easily, though, like these end up going so well with your foundation. So yeah, these 2. This is what I got. And I got this as a free sample from Sephora because I asked them, like, can you please, because I'm spending so much, please. So they ended up giving me this, and it is their lip oil ke 2 sample, Hope and Happy, and there's liquid blush, Hope and Happy. It's perfect for like trying, So that's all from Sephora. Moving on, I should have a sip before I start. Diet Coke curly. My mother is gonna give me one beating after watching that I'm having Diet Coke. I told her I'm not gonna have any more, but let's go. So I got the YSL primer. It's a very good primer. It just makes your skin feel so nice and so hydrated. This is how it looks. Can you look at those sparkle? Yeah. So I got that. This is my high-end primer. And then moving on, because Nykaa पे sale चल रही है, buy one get one. So I got these 2 e.l.f. Camo bronzer contour shades, and these 2 blush shades. These 2 are mauve and dusty rose, light, medium, and medium one. So, no. Next up, Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. This is a beauty. Okay, like, look at it. And I think this will go for a really long time, because powder products, you don't need a lot, you just use it to highlight and like set the liquid product. So that, then I Wait, I got few things from Lifestyle. I don't have their bag, but we'll do that later. K Beauty 2 setting powders, banana, and this is the translucent one. And then 2 compact powders from K Beauty. Best formula for affordable. If you can like add a little money, then why not? And I also got 2 of these kajal pencils from K Beauty, bronze and rose gold. They looked really nice when I was trying them. Do we want to do the samples immediately? I think we should. Okay. So, because I got so much from K Beauty, they ended up giving me this pouch. Do you see how cute it is? It's a pinky pouch, and like it has K Beauty written inside. So, that. Then they gave me like 4 sheet masks free. These are the 4 sheet masks that I got. Not this. Yeah, they gave me 4 sheet masks for free. Yeah. What? No, they gave me more things. I have mixed it. Wait, sorry. They gave me the Charlotte Tilbury compact. Like the tiniest compact that you can even imagine. This. Don't want to make this fall, so I'm gonna just pack it. They also gave me a lot of things from Lancome. They gave me this perfume from Lancome. It's safe, it survived. Then they gave me this cream, you see, and they gave me these 5 serum samples too, very reflective. So this is all I got from Nykaa as free samples. I'm gonna finish quickly the things I got from Lifestyle. So in Lifestyle, there was buy 4 get 1 free on Maybelline. So I got these 4 Maybelline foundation in like 120, 128, 228 and 330. It is enough to start with. So those 4 I got. And I got this mascara for free, like 4 pay 1. And they also gave me like a lipstick free sample. And then I got these 2 sugar contour blush and highlighter palette. They're really nice, okay, in like the price range. 800 you get all 3, which is very good. Also got this sugar lipstick for free. So these are from Lifestyle. The most exciting one is Tira. Let's do Tira. Okay. So for color correctors, I'm keeping these Huda Beauty Mango and Peach for both affordable and high-end, because like how much do you use a color correctors, and it makes sense. I have been asking my cousin sister about products too, because she is into makeup artist school. So she knows everything way better than I do. So yeah, these 3 shades from Too Faced. Wait, yeah. So it is vanilla, golden beige, and warm beige. Right? I got this Hoola bronzer, the iconic Hoola bronzer, bro. Like, and because I already got the Charlotte Tilbury one, so I thought getting a smaller one is enough. This goes a long way. Then I got this BB Bake in the shade Pound Cake because I already have banana bread. Then we got soft glam palette. It is a beauty. A beauty. But yeah, this is how the palette is. Perfect nudes, and they also give like a brush. So perfection. I'm just scared I'll ruin this because it's velvet. Then I got 2 blush palettes from Huda Beauty because see, otherwise I would have had to get like different colors. So that means a lot of kharcha. But these Huda Beauty palette, because luckily they come like they have 4 colors in one. So they just help me cut down a little budget, you know. So if you see, these are the colors and they are pretty much enough for all the makeup looks that we want to do. So that's what I got from Huda. I also got an highlighter from Fenty Beauty. These products, just like when you buy these products, you're like, oh. So yeah, this is how it looks. Beautiful product. Beautiful packaging also, I must say. And this was, I'm not sure if it was necessary, but I just felt it's just really pretty. It's by Givenchy. It's like their Prisme Libre highlighter. The classic, how they have those powder in 4 shades. Same, they have this highlighter in 4 shades. And when you use it, it's just so like fine that it just spreads so nicely and it gives you the naturalist shine ever. So, well, I'm not sure it was necessary, but I just felt it might just give my client a little more luxurious feel. So I did that. Are you guys ready for the freebies? Because the most amount of freebies I got was from Tira Beauty. Okay, starting off with these Fenty Beauty shade palettes. Can you see that? They have legit given me an entire range of shades so that I can try, and which is perfect. Being a makeup artist, you really don't know कि भाई ये 4 shades ले लो या ये 5 shades ले लो, क्योंकि सबकी skin same नहीं होती. You have to create it, you know. And these might be like a savior on days when you're just confused if I should do this. You just pick out one and use it on the person. They gave me this pouch by Tira. And then they gave me a lot of samples. They gave me 2 of these Huda Beauty perfume samples. They gave this Davidoff perfume sample, another CK perfume sample. They gave me this pore profession primer, benefit wala hai, and also this. So 2 of these. They gave this benefit brow pencil, a ribbon wrapped, the one I got for my free samples from Nykaa also. They gave me this also, and they gave me a Huda Beauty lipstick free. Okay, this is not it. I also got this makeup pouch for free. And you're not ready for this, okay? This is amazing. Because like when you're doing makeup, this might just help like for the days when bride has like a little dull eye and face is puffy or the bride has cried. This is it. I got this for free. Well, my bill was also good enough for this, but yeah, this is all I got. And this is like a little haul video type also, but it's just one step to my journey. Like, you know, I just get very emotional when I talk about it, like, because I'm trying to do something for myself finally, because I have really not been a person who likes to do things for herself. So yeah, I have started. There are a lot more products and things on its way because I had to use the online medium for a lot of things because सब चीज़ें store पे नहीं available है, like NARS का foundation. So that, But yeah, please send all the good wishes in your comment section. Like, I really like to get some good vibes and thumbs up so that I feel good about it. And like, I hope this will be the best chapter of my life after like my marriage also. But like, I love my boy. So yeah, thank you for watching. I love you guys.